What's up, guys? Welcome back to Offroadicon. My name's Javier, and let's start this mini series going. So, yes, CARFIDANT sent me free product. It's back there. Yes, we're gonna do some review videos on them. Yes, they're gonna be honest, and at the end of the day, I'm not being paid to do any of these videos. So, this I bought with my own monies. That was given to me. Now, I am very grateful that CARFIDANT did reach out and trust me to give an honest review of their product. At the end of the day, they never once mentioned money. They never once mentioned paying me for a review. They never once mentioned how they want me to do the review. They just asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing them. And a company that sticks behind their product like that, I find they're a small company. They're not huge. At least, I don't think they are. Maybe they are. But I don't know a lot of people that have heard of them. And I think it's really awesome that they took a chance on me, a smaller channel. I know my CARFIDANT video did really well, but on the swirl mark remover. But I am a small channel. So if you guys like their product, do me a favor now. Go give them a like on Instagram and Facebook. You know, let them know that you like their product. Again, the links for everything will be down below. They are Amazon affiliate links, so I do get a little piece of that. That's how I make a little bit of money. And when I mean a little bit of money, guys, I mean a little bit of money. We're talking like, if you buy a bottle, I might make, I don't know, 5-10 cents. So I'm not killing it, guys. It's not for the money. I have a full-time job. This is literally just for the fun of it. So, but to test out their product, I went and spent money. So the irony of that, right? Get free product, spend more money, probably not as much as the product costs, but spend quite a bit of money just to test out the product. Now, I could have done it without any actual tools. Last time, if you guys watched my last video, if you didn't, I'll link it right now. Let's try right here. I did do it by hand. And again, like I mentioned in my last quick intro video, I did like the product by hand. I think it did an amazing job for what it started out with. Again, I used a black swirl mark remover, and my truck looked horrible. But when I finished, it did make a massive difference in how the appearance was. I would say from 7-10 feet away, my truck looked amazing. Where from 10 feet away before, it looked like I literally took a bag of nails, put them on my hands, and just wiped it all the way across my truck. So the results I got were great. Now, were they a professional job finish? No, it couldn't have been. I did it by hand, and I'm not a professional polisher. So this is to help you, very entry level. I'll get all the links for this stuff below. I mean, basically, oops. Basically, I just went online, looked on Amazon, looked at reviews, and looked at YouTube videos and said, what would work for somebody like me who's just going to try out a product and maybe every once in a while touch up a spot here and there. Now, CARFIDANT did give me some other inside tips on some other things I can do with their product, and I'm actually kind of interested in doing some of those things, which is part of the reason why this guy's here. So, without further ado, let's just dive into what I bought. So, I'm gonna go with SPTA. That should be the name of the company. Now, I don't wanna destroy these because for those who don't know, you should probably keep your product as least amount of contamination as possible. You don't wanna introduce new scratches by using your product in a bad way. So I'm gonna use my Vicky little razor blade here and try to, as gently as possible, maybe I need a new razor blade edge on it, cut some of this stickers and tape off without hopefully destroying the plastic underneath, because it's just a bag. Perfect. Oh, it's sealed, guys. Well, that was pointless. So, if you go to SPTA's, I don't want to say website, if you're looking at their Amazon product, they will tell you the different purposes of their different colors. So, versus like I guess I could feel the difference. This one feels softer. So they're more coarse depending on which one you're getting, or firm. Like that's really firm. I wonder if you could see it. It just takes more effort. This one's really soft. The black one's really soft. So there's definitely levels of how firm their product is or coarse their product is. I don't know if it has anything to do with the separations within the, I guess the actual material itself. They do give you a backing polishing plate. However, this set, this 3-inch set, even though it's Velcro backed, I want to find something that's not too dirty. I mean, if I just make sure I only set it on the Velcro side, have a clean side up. So they give you this polishing plate, which, here you go, comes right off. With this very soft, ooh, very nice, very nice. Let me put it on, I could use it to spread some beard stuff. This backing plate's more for a drill. So, I didn't listen to my own ideas there. So what I did is I bought this backing plate right here. This is from Astro Pneumatic, right? Yeah, from Astro Pneumatic 20302 is the part number on it. And it's got a little I think it's a 5/16 little threaded end on it. So here's this guy. I don't mind the drill one. If I could find the drill piece, I'd go for it. Ah, there it is. So it comes with this adapter. There's no threaded end here. It's got little grooves right here. I don't know if you can see it, probably not. But the grooves hopefully just help you bite, and then it's got the end that goes into the back of the guy here. So I do actually kind of enjoy this part because I use my drills a lot. And more than likely, there will be a time where this comes into play. So it's just another tool. I bought the 6-inch backing plate. Well, I think it's a 5-inch backing plate, to be honest, not a 6-inch. But I bought the 5-inch backing plate to use on the 6-inch pants. Which, here you go. It's got a little thread protector. Part number is 4607. 5-inch backing plate from Astro Pneumatic. So hopefully, if you guys need one, this works for you. And hopefully, I got the same little ends. Now, one thing you'll notice is the smaller one comes with like a little, I guess, a nut on it. And the regular one, even though it's got a plastic cover on it right now, doesn't come with a nut. What it does come with is these little washers. They're like plasticky, I don't know, washers. So what that's for is you put that on first here. I think you only have to put on one. They probably just give you spares in case you break them or something. But you put those on first, just like so. And maybe you need more than one. Maybe you need all of them. We'll find that out. But it's to give the space so that when you put the wrench in, you can tighten this and it doesn't get locked up. So we'll find that out in a little bit. Here's these guys again. So it comes with a blue one, which you got there. It comes with these two soft ones, a green one, oh, a red one. There's the color you guys are missing. So it comes with the whole flat set like this, and then it comes with a whole nother set. It comes with 2 of a flat set and then 2 of like a waffle egg carton type thing. This one's like in the middle. It's definitely between those. And then lastly, you get this, which I could only presume is to clean them. So, kind of a weird shape, huh? Oh, I got it. I guarantee you, and I'll look it up. Put it on the darn cleaner, hold it down, bzzz, bam. So, non-scientific video, guys. All right, set that to the side. Make sure these stay facing up. Now, SPTA, again, I just picked, kind of looked and said, hey, these look like good product. We'll find out. Hopefully they last. They had good reviews, so I'm hoping that that's the case. Check that out. here's the 6-inch pads. It's got a nice Velcro back. And I don't know if I can get this to show. Can I get this to show? Can you see it? All those like openings. So I'm gonna use this on the larger surface of the vehicle. So where on the hood, on the side of it, all that area. And this is where it gets for the tighter sections. I was also told, which is one of the tips I got, that if you use their original product, so if you don't have a black car, a blue car, a green car, or a red car, if you have a silver car or a yellow car or any car that doesn't go with those other colors, you can use their original product, which is the orange bottle. Well, they also said use the orange bottle on your lights. So that's 2 birds with 1 stone. That's like better value. Hello, if you buy the orange one, which is made for any car. The other ones just happen to have the tint in them, I'm sure, to help fill in some scratches here and there. But you get 2 products in one. You don't gotta go buy, you know, headlight restorer. Now, you gotta have some sandpaper and stuff, and then this. But we're gonna try it by hand first. So stick in for that. All right, last but not least, let's get this out of the way. Oh, this way. Hecho in Mexico. All right, check it out. Bam, bam, bam. There you go. Instructions, handle, wrench, handle. All right, well, this is the 6-inch pad it comes with. The reason I bought another 6-inch pad is because this 6-inch pad is not removable. So this is garbage. Take it with the box. All right. Ooh, that's hefty. So here you go. Reinforced cord, 2-prong end. I'm sure if I had the instructions with me, I could tell you how many amps it is. But there's tons of really good review videos. Non-trigger mechanism. This is just an on-off. This is a dual action orbital polisher. It's not a gear-driven polisher. Again, if you want to learn the difference, please go look at someone else's video that tells you all that. There's benefits to a gear-driven polisher. There's benefits to this style polisher. It's just based on what you need. I'm not a pro. This is like 120-ish bucks, and the other ones are like $500. So I think if you're not a pro, you're looking at something like this. Now, I didn't want the $40 ones because I do like stuff that lasts. Porter Cable's a trusted brand, been around a long time. There's not even a label on it. Porter Cable's a trusted brand, been around a long time, and I have some of their products. That Massive Toolbox has got some of their products in there, and they've lasted. So for me, brand reputation does matter. I don't know a lot of the brands, what is it, Rupes and whatever other companies are there. I'm sure they're great products. I mean, they have a price tag. They seem to be an industry standard, but I wasn't going to spend 400 bucks. Sorry. Maybe if I get good at this. Today, not so much. So overall, I don't know. Let's see how big this thing is. Love that box. So looks like you have an overall length of about 11 inches from this end to right here. Your cord is approximately 3 inches of additional length for where it's flexible. And if you're looking at overall depth without anything, you're about 4.5 inches. So I love this tape measure. Ooh, look at that color. So at the end of the day, it is a very compact unit, a little hefty, but I can see probably with 2 hands. Let's see. Let us see. Is it better? Oh, that's plasticky. It'd be nice if it was a little more rubbery. Oh, yeah, that's better. Yeah, like that. For those who don't know, you take this cord and throw it over your shoulder. All right, let's see what else we got. Hey, it comes with a that looks cheap. Like, really cheap. You see it? Don't block my eyes. You see it? It's like all messed up. Not using that. Alright. Where's my 5-inch plate? So, I wonder, what do you guys think? 1, 2, all 3? Probably all 3, isn't it? I bet you it's all 3. It's gotta be all 3. I bet you they just gave you extras, depending on what style you have. Here's what I'm gonna say. My bet is, it needs to be, yeah, maybe 2. Nope, 3 it is. It probably needs to be at least the width of this guy. How else would you get it off? Bam. Bam. Maybe not. I'm gonna try 2. So if I go here, I got a little lower section where the counterbalance is not. Now, don't over snug it. Like, just get it tight. Ooh, I feel like you could almost do it with 1. Ho, ho, ho. Let's try that. It's like a DJ. Check that out. Yeah, you can. All right. Only 1. Nice. Now you know. Just 1. Okay, there you go. There it is. Bam. So, that's it for this video, guys. I just want to do a quick unboxing, show you what I purchased. Links in the description below. Again, they're Amazon affiliate links, so they do help a little tiny bit. Any help, I'll take it, because I keep buying stuff, and I'm not a monetized channel, so I don't make anything. But hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell notification if you want to see this mini part series, and hope you enjoy the ride. Hope this product works for you, and I hope I don't freak up my paint. That would be embarrassing. See you guys soon. Peace. It's all clean. Ha! Forgot to put this on. Think it works? Whoa! It's like a little tiny DJ sis. Bam! So excited. So excited. So excited. Later.